cigarette bar out here.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh fuck. Oh, I thought it. Woo! Yep.
What is it? Does it shoot off or is it like a fountain?
I guess it's just a, I don't know. Look at Norma.
Put it out. It's huge.
Yeah, that's it.
Terry, you're gonna. Epic fail! Oh my gosh!
Everybody run inside, the cops are gonna come.
That was a good time. I had a great time.
Did you have a great time?
I had a great time.
We were barbecuing.
We were barbecuing. No, fuck no.